Alright y'all, guest appearance of an engine on the channel. This is my brother-in-law's Maytag 92 long base that we got from another fella who shows at Hungry Hollow. I will put his information down in the description. He is an awesome engine collector. And today we're just going to do a little start and run. It's another Maytag 92, nothing too special, but I'm a little jealous. He's got the air cleaner that I really like. Let's give her a kick. We just got this running today. Running like a top. That is loud as mine. My daughter comes over to check it out. So yeah, just a really good running engine. We'll do some more work on this, and as we do, I'll start making videos again.